Hey, welcome back to the Compete channel. It's my uncle here. He's been asking me for 2 years to drive my Mustang.
Day one.
Day one, yeah. This guy here, he's been in some other videos, some funny videos that we've had where I've done a pull or two with him in the car. Today he's gonna get his dream come true, and he's gonna get to drive Baba Yaga. So I'm kind of excited for you. 800 plus horse Mustang, first time driving. So I hope you like the video. I've been wanting to do this with you for a while, and I felt bad that we haven't gotten a chance to get you in the car driving it. I'm glad you could come up while we were doing this fan appreciation shoot today. And you stalled it. You in the right gear? Yeah, okay.
Is that first?
Looks like third to me.
I don't know this.
I know.
Third. Ah. Now I can ride this thing.
Okay.
It's very long. I missed the gears.
You were in third, now you're in fifth.
That's what I wanted.
Okay. You went from fourth to third, and you came back out with went from what, fifth gear? Was that a fifth gear pull?
Yeah,
and
fourth to fifth.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. You getting the hang of this thing?
It'd take me a little while with that shifter. I am not. Mine, you were here like
there is
this.
none of that. It's all short throws, close ratio. It's tight.
No wonder seen your dad drive this and saw Jimmy drive it. No wonder, I understand now. It's like, what were they doing?
Yeah, yeah. See, he watches my videos. I like that. I like that.
Oh, yeah.
You just got on YouTube not that long ago, didn't you? You got your account set up and all that. It's cool to be able to share experiences like this with family and friends. And this is my uncle, and I love him to death, but he's my buddy as much as he is my uncle. And I've been wanting to do this for quite a while, so I'm just happy that you get a chance to experience it.
I've been wanting to do this for quite a while.
We've been in the car a couple times, but you've always been the passenger, and yeah.
This guy's getting more than a couple minutes behind this wheel.
Oh yeah. I know. And if you're watching this video, next driver that's going to drive this, we're shooting multiple videos today for content. We're in the fall. I'm not going to be driving the car for much longer. I'm running a DOT slick on the back, and they don't like cold weather. But I'm going to have a Hellcat owner, Mopar Phil here. He's going to drive my car and get his first impressions of the car as well later today. So I'm excited to put that video up. So if you're watching this video, there'll be some other cool content coming up in the near future. I give this guy an 800 horse Mustang, folks, and he drives 50 miles an hour. Oh, here we go. We're going to slow down now. Oh, we're going to stop. Oh.
We're definitely going to slow down.
Oh boy. You in the right gear? And starting in second, that's probably smart for wheel spin. Watch out, it will come around on you in corners. Yep. Does it pull hard enough for you?
I like that.
Yeah. It runs. Can't say don't run.
I like the front end coming up. Can we do that again?
Absolutely. Stop here. Stop on the street right here. This guy here, I don't know what he's doing. He's on the bridge in a side-by-side, folks. You probably can't see that. I'm not sure what he's doing. But,
shit, we got a car coming.
you're fine. Boy, as a passenger, I put you back in Yeah, I was just like holding on. Oh my.
Hey, man.
Huh? There you have it, Driven to Compete. Check out some of my other videos. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can stay up to date on all my videos. And with that said, thanks for watching. God, I can't even talk. The excitement. Long overdue. You know what? 3 years in the making. I bought the car 3 years ago. He's watched me progress as I've built the car, and he gets excited every time I do something new to the car. So thank you very much, Unc. Greatly appreciate that. So with that said, Driven to Compete. Watch, like, subscribe.